Hello, Clarice. I'm sorry to say, but Steve Short will not be joining us this evening. I ate his liver with some fava beans and a nice Chianti. I do believe his liver has turned. Can you hear the lamb screaming, Clarice? If you need a deal on your HVAC equipment, you can call American HVAC Genuine Heating and Cooling. Today, Clarice, I'll be watching.